Okay, so now we're going to explore how to see what runs upon startup and log on of your computer and how to disable them. I'm going to show you two ways. First way is through the registry. So we're going to go regedit, which gives you the registry editor. Alright, so to see what programs start up when you log on, you go current user. Got a bloody message. Current user, we go system, software, Microsoft, Windows. So it's software, Microsoft, then Windows, which will be under W. Current version, and then it'll be run. Where's run? Here. So here I've only got two things starting. The first one is the toolbar notifier, and the other one is Adobe Bridge. Now if I wanted to delete one of them, I'd just go right click, delete. But I want both those things to start, so I'm not going to delete it. But yeah, so that's what runs, that's the thing there for where it is, and that is what run when you log on. Now to see what runs when the computer starts, we go local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, wherever that is, down here, current version, and run again. There it is. What's under there? Ah, so these are some that are, what's that? Auto runs disabled. So this is what, yep, we'll go into that soon. So there's, yep. So I don't know what they are, but I'd leave them. Anything in System32, I'd leave that. And this is my driver for my audio. So I want that still going. But anything you find that you don't want, like sometimes they have toolbars and all sorts of stuff, but I've already optimized mine and it's got stuff missing. Like views also, that'll be in here too, if you want it running upon logon, and uTorrent and stuff like that. But yeah, you just delete them out if you don't want them, or we do it this way. I've got a little utility called Auto Runs by sysinternals, and you start it, and here it has everything that runs, which is more than that, like just in that, but that's where the standard things run. And here's everything that starts on logon. So you see how some of them aren't checked? They're the parts that are in Auto Runs disabled. So I've got this Adobe Startup Utilities Updater thing. I don't need that, so I've disabled it on here, wherever it was. But yeah, so to disable something on here, and this will keep your registry setting too, so you're not actually deleting anything. But like, say I didn't want Dropbox to start, I'd just uncheck it. But I still do want my Dropbox to start, so I'm going to leave it there. Let's see, what can I stop? There's nothing here that's really I would like to stop, but yeah, just pretty much untick it. Now the link to this little utility I'll post there. It's part of a thing called sysinternals, which I recommend downloading the whole suite, because you never know, there's lots of other good things in there that you can use, and I might go over one day and put up another little thing on them. But yeah, I'll put a link to just auto runs and also to the sysinternals utility, so you can download either that you want. But yeah, it has lots of cool stuff, like, you know, shows you all your codecs that you've got for playing video and music and stuff. So if you didn't want some, or you've got duplicates, you can do that. And you can delete them in here too, so delete, but I just like unchecking them. And all your drivers, which I would not recommend stopping. And also all your services, so you can stop services through here too. So like MySQL, I actually don't need MySQL anymore, so I'm going to uncheck it. And yeah, so that's pretty much it, and this works straight away. You just click it and it's working. Alright, thank you. See you next time.